Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating a new text area field. Super exciting. We're going to do this on our new object that we created a few videos back. But if you want to do it on a different object, that's great. You just go to the object manager and find whichever object you want to put this on. We're going to go to fields and relationships, not page layouts, fields and relationships. There we go. And click new. All right, we're going to scroll down to text area. So text and text area are pretty much the same thing. Text is all in one line, but text area can be separate lines. Similar amount of characters, but I generally recommend doing text area over text. So we're going to do this as a new text area. Sorry for the non-creativity here, but it works for this example. Description is super helpful if you want to describe why this was created or what it's used for anyone on the back end, like admins or devs. Help text is super helpful for your end users, and it'll come up with a little icon like right there. Required, I'm not going to make this required in order to save, and I'm not going to add a default value. So I'm going to click next. Field level security is who can see it, who can read it, and who can edit it based upon their profile. Since this is a Trailhead org, practice org, we're just going to keep it all default and click next. This will add it to the page layout, so you'll be able to see it on your new object record page. It'll be at the very bottom, but after you save, if you want to move it, you would go to page layouts and move it around to where works best for you. I'm going to click save. And let's go to new text area. See, you can see it right here. It is a text area field type with 255. And that's it. Super simple. Thanks for joining me for this video. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and helps me make more helpful videos like this. And I will catch you guys in the next one.